All right, today we're going to take a look at drawing arms that are crossed, and I'm going to walk you through a quick sketch in just a minute. This sometimes gives people issues because there's overlapping and there's some depth issues there, and of course some proportional issues. So first thing I like to do is look at your reference, whether that's a photo or a real person, and decide where the shoulder line is. Go ahead and draw a line for the shoulder line. Sometimes this line might be slightly curved. The next thing you'll do is maybe determine where the joints are, and I determine those kind of with circles, but you can use whatever you want. And I'll go ahead and draw a line for the upper part of the arm, just like a stick figure. And then continuing with the stick figure theme, we're going to draw the lines for the forearms and just draw some basic shapes for the hands and fingers. Now if you draw this lightly right now, you've got everything worked out at this point, and you can just kind of trace over or use your stick figure drawing as a guide to kind of thicken things up. And you can kind of see in this sketch where I drew lightly that stick figure at the beginning, and then I'm starting to draw my contour lines from here. So after you've done that, all it is paying attention to the values, the shadows, where the light source is, getting the wrinkles in, and so on, and then you've got arms that are crossed.